Hey y'all, welcome to the Luxuriant Curls channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I deep condition my hair. Deep conditioning your natural curls is the best way to keep them moisturized and healthy. I'm going to be using 4 ingredients for my deep conditioner technique today, so let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need, of course, is a bowl to mix your ingredients in. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Repair, but of course you can add whatever deep conditioner you have on hand. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. I never have a deep conditioner mixture without honey. It's a great moisturizer for your natural curls. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil. If you've never used Jamaican black castor oil before in your deep conditioner mixtures, you really need to give it a try. It is great for stimulating hair growth. And the last thing I'm going to add is Hask Keratin protein treatment. Of course, protein is a great way to strengthen my hair and to reduce breakage. But remember that if you do add any type of protein product to your deep conditioner, that you only do it once a month. I'm going to mix everything together and get ready to apply this mixture to my hair. Before I put the deep conditioner on my hair, I'm going to finger detangle my hair. I do deep condition my hair before I wash it. I've been doing it that way since I've been natural, and it's a lot quicker to me to get the deep conditioning out of the way first than doing it after I wash. So that's just the way I've been doing it. So I'm going to make sure that I get all the tangles out because it makes the washing process easier. It makes the detangling process later easier as well. I'm going to get my spray bottle and I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair with water. You're also able to just dunk your head in some water or just put your head under the faucet just to get your hair wet, because it does make the conditioner or allow the conditioner to go on better. So this is going to go pretty quickly. The only thing I'm doing is just adding the conditioner to my hair. I'm making sure to concentrate, of course, on every inch of my hair, the back, the ends, the roots, making sure that my hair is completely covered in the deep conditioner because I want to make sure that no hair is left unconditioned. So just make sure that you put a lot of deep conditioner in the bowl so that you have enough to cover your hair with. After I have applied everything to my hair, I am just going to pull my hair up into a ponytail to, of course, get it out of the way and get ready to wrap it up and leave it on there for a certain amount of time. And so while I'm doing that, of course, if you have a hair dryer, you don't need to leave your deep conditioner on very long. A lot of people want to know, how long am I supposed to leave on my deep conditioner? It really is up to you how long you want to leave it on there. I'm going to add some saran wrap. I'm going to wrap my hair with saran wrap because I don't have a hooded hair dryer. If you have a hooded hair dryer, you can skip the whole saran wrap thing and just use a plastic cap. But I don't have a hooded hair dryer, so the saran wrap along with adding a plastic cap just gives my the deep conditioner, or gives my hair heat and provides some type of heat, because you have to have some type of heat for the deep conditioner to penetrate your hair shaft. So if you don't have a hooded dryer, you can take just some regular saran wrap and wrap it around your hair. So I'm just gonna actually use 3 pieces. I'm gonna wrap one kind of around my edges because the saran wrap is not really big enough to cover my entire head, so I have to use at least 3 pieces. So I'm going to use one to cover my edges, and then I'm going to have another piece to kind of try to cover the top part, or sort of the middle part of my hair, and then I'm going to add one more piece to get that little bitty tiny ponytail that's at the top. If you don't have saran wrap, you are also able to use a regular plastic bag. I've used that before. But I do find the saran wrap is a lot better with keeping that moisture, keeping that heat in, not moisture into my hair. So that's basically it. I will keep it on there until I'm ready to wash it out. Please make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.